Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Nexlev extension on Google Chrome. This is super popular and very useful for YouTube, help you to find trends and channels of similar niche and size to yours. On top of that, this is just the tip of the iceberg that Nexlev can do, and I simply recommend it. You can also use it to track if a channel is monetized or not. So a whole lot of value you get with Nexlev, and I'm going to show you how. If you don't know Nexlev, let me just quickly show you. So if I type in Nexlev in my browser here, you can simply head over to nexlev.io and you will learn a lot about it as well. So this is Nexlev, guys, and a ton of value you can learn from it. So how do we add this into our Google Chrome so that we can easily use it on YouTube? Just simple click the extension icon on the upper right hand side in Google Chrome, or click the three dots here on Google Chrome and go to extensions and then click visit web store. Once you're inside the web store, all you have to do is simply type in Nexlev, guys, and you will be able to search and you'll find the Nexlev extension right here. Nexlev YouTube Research and Analytics. Click on that and just simply click and add to Chrome. Click and add extension there, and it's as easy as that. You've added the Nexlev extension to your Google Chrome, and that is going to show up on YouTube as well. So let me just wait for it to finish. It's loading right here. That should be pretty fast. And as you can see right there, I have added it, and you just want to go ahead and click and continue with your Google account right there. Simple sign in, because it's going to require that. Click and continue, and that's pretty much it. Now you can quickly go ahead and choose if you want to log into extension. You can just click that off if you want. But if you head over to your YouTube channel, for example, if you head over to YouTube, you're able to see on any video that Nexlev actually is working, and you can see all the fine details. Now what I'm going to do is quickly click on a video right here for no particular reason. Just clicking on this so that we can see. I'm going to pause the video as well to not have anything played. And once I scroll down, you will see Nexlev. This is Nexlev here. As you can see, it's just checking monetization here in this channel. And you can even click on it to, if you click to visit the channel itself, you're able to even see more of Nexlev. So here's showing that the channel is monetized. If you want to learn more about how to use Nexlev, you can simply head over to their website as well, guys, and you can just, check some overview stuff. You can go to their official website, you can read about it. They have resources, they show you how it works, and you can just simply check it out to see how it actually works and some of the fine important data that you can actually find with it. But that's it. That's how you add Nexlev to your Google Chrome. If you want to check it, you can click three dots again, go to extensions, guys, and you will also see it under manage extensions that Nexlev is actually there. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.